This video will cover the installation of an IPD Panhard bar into a 1990 Volvo 245. This installation can be completed over a lunch break. Start by ensuring your tire pressure is equal side to side. Measure the rear end to determine the rear axle's off-center placement. I measured from the inner wheel rim to the first inside ear of the rear trailing arm on both sides. Unbolt the Panhard bar starting with the driver's side. The driver's side will drop down while the passenger side will slide over the axle bolt. You will immediately notice the difference in substance between the OEM bar and the IPD bar. Depending on your needs, you can set the length to match the OEM bar or modify as needed. To align your rear end, recall your initial measurement. If it was half an inch closer to the passenger side than the driver's side, then the bar will need to be adjusted 1/4 inch shorter than the original bar. Each revolution of the bar is approximately 1/32 of an inch. Install the new bar. Depending on your adjustments, this may be easier on jack stands at the chassis jack points rather than ramps. Be sure to replace the rubber cup washer as it helps prevent fuel tank puncture in collisions. And you're done! Enjoy your new IPD Panhard bar in your Volvo 240.